Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And have you ever dreamed of making passive income by sharing your knowledge, creativity, or expertise with the world? Digital products are the future, and Amazon is the perfect platform to turn your ideas into a profitable business. So here, digital products like ebooks are one of the fastest growing categories on Amazon. They require no inventory, no shipping, and no complicated logistics. And here with Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing, or the KDP, you can publish your content to a global audience in just a few clicks. So as you can see here, so you'll be able to see this one. So what you need to do here is to go and search for the Kindle Publishing. So after that one is you will be able to see here. So before you publish, you guys, make sure your ebook is ready for Amazon. So here's what you need to do. Use tools like Microsoft Word, the Canva, or the Google Docs. So focus on clear formatting or whatever you do and format your file so you can convert your ebook into a format supported by Kindle, such as document, EPUB, or the PDF. So I recommend using Kindle, guys, because it's a free tool from Amazon that helps you format and preview your ebook to ensure it looks like professional on Kindle devices. So here you go to the kdpamazon.com and then of course sign in with your Amazon account. And what you need to do here, guys, is of course you need to complete your account by setting up your tax information, the payment details, and the publisher name. So after that one, you'll be able to see this one. So here you can see here the create, manage, and publish here. So publish a new title by clicking create or manage your existing title. So as you can see here, you tap on that one. So your account. So here you'll be able to see here this two-step verification. So here is my book, guys. So my book is a coloring book of a children. So I am editing it on a Canva. So after that one is I just need to download this one. So here, don't forget, guys, that you will be downloading it through PDF. So as you can see here, and right after this one is I'm gonna upload this on this Kindle. So here, tap on that button, the create button, and here you'll be able to see here different types: the Kindle ebook, the paperback, and the hardcover. So what you need to do here is the first one. Here, tap the button, the create ebook, the yellow button, guys. And after that one is you will be directed to this page wherein you will be filling all the details, all your ebook details. So of course, the first one is the language and then the book title. So for example, that one is my coloring book, good for example, that is good for 3 to 6 years old. So enter your title, guys, and it appears in the book cover. So if you had a subtitle, a colon will be inserted between the title and the subtitle. So here, guys, is the subtitle. So don't forget, guys, to check your spellings since this is very important. So the field cannot be updated after the publication, guys. So make sure to double check it. And here on this part is a series. So if your book is a part of a series, you need to add it now. And if you create series, it will build a product detail price. So here is the edition number. So tells the reader whether the book is an original or updated version. So here you can enter here. Here is a part where is a primary author or contributor. Enter the primary author or contributor. So pen names are allowed too. So here I'm gonna see the author here, or where is this project? So as you can see here, I'm just gonna tap on this one and I'm gonna see here, this is by the past due, so you just need to fill in there. Okay, for example, that one is this one. So this is the primary author or the contributor, guys. So on this part, guys, you can also add another 9 contributors, guys. So they'll display on Amazon using the order you enter below. So as you can see here, guys, first name, and remember, guys, that you can add up to 9 contributors only, guys. So next part is this one, the description. So you can summarize your book. So this will be your product description on Amazon. So customers can learn here. So here you'll be able to see here, I own the copyright and I hold the necessary publishing rights. Or this is a public domain work, and you will be also see here sexually explicit images or title. So here, publishing rights. You can also, you just need to fill in all the details, guys. All the field here, so it is very important. And here is the keywords. For example, they will search this one and your ebook will be seen on the Amazon dashboard. So for example, that one is this coloring book and then animals. So here, pre-order. This is a public domain, so it is not a pre-order. So on this part, guys, is the ebook content. So here, you need to upload your manuscript. So for example, to that one is here the book cover. So the book cover here, guys, is the one that is the first page that we created on the Canva. So here you can also choose a cover creator here, guys. So after that one, you can choose design, Skype it, and edit it. So here, you'll be able to see here, use cover creator to make your book cover or upload your own image or use the KDP stock images. So right after you upload that one, you just need to tap on the save button. So on this part, guys, after this one, you will be directed here. So this is the first page, guys. So I'm gonna save this one because this is my cover page. So after that one, you will be downloading this one and then upload it on the KDP. So here, you can launch cover creator or upload your cover file. So that's it, guys. And the last one, guys, is right after that one is you can share your book on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Enroll your book in a Kindle, guys, to select to make it available through Kindle Unlimited. You can run Amazon ads to reach readers searching for books in your genre. And also, guys, once your book is live and promoted, monitor its performance using the KDP dashboard. You can track sales and royalties, view page reads for Kindle, and analyze which keywords or categories are driving sales. So, congratulations, guys! You now know how to publish and sell your ebooks on Amazon using Kindle Direct Publishing. It's an incredible way to share your knowledge, earn passive income, and build your brand. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I'd love to hear about your KDP journey. Now, go turn your ideas into a published book.